Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy guide to fix the dreaded AEG Dishwasher Error i44. If your dishwasher is showing this error, don't panic. It usually points to drainage issues, foam buildup, or a temporary system glitch. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get your dishwasher running smoothly again. Restart the appliance. The first thing you want to do is restart your dishwasher. Simply unplug it or switch off the breaker for a few minutes. Then, restore power and run a different wash cycle. Sometimes, this simple step clears temporary glitches and resets the system. Check the filter. Next, let's inspect the filter. Pull out the bottom filter and clean it thoroughly. Remove any food particles, soap, residue, or foam buildup. Don't forget to rinse the sump area beneath the filter as well. Once it's clean, reinstall the filter and make sure it's seated correctly. A blocked filter is one of the most common reasons for the i44 error. Verify detergent use. Now, check your detergent. Always use AEG approved detergent and avoid overfilling. Excessive SUDs can trigger this error, so keeping the detergent within recommended limits is key. Perform a deep reset. If the error still shows up, it's time for a deep reset. Disconnect power for at least an hour. Overnight works best. This discharges hidden electrical charges and recalibrates the internal sensors, giving your dishwasher a fresh start. When to contact support. If you've tried all these steps and the i44 error persists, the problem is likely mechanical or sensor related. At this point, contact AEG support and let them know the troubleshooting steps you've already performed. And that's it. A simple, step-by-step way to tackle the AEG i44 error and get your dishwasher back to perfect working order. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quick fix like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.